Hi everyone, my name is Divya Kumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. In the previous lecture series, we have discussed about data acquisition system and what are all the major components in data acquisition system. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the methodology of data acquisition system. What is DAS begins with a physical property to be measured. Examples of this include temperature, light intensity, gas pressure, fluid flow, force, etc. A sensor, which is a type of transducer which is used to convert a physical property into a corresponding electrical signal. Signal conditioning may be necessary if the signal from the transducer is not suitable for the data acquisition hardware being used. After signal conditioning, the analog wave output is converted into a digital form with the help of an analog digital converter. Once digitalized, the signal can be encoded to reduce and correct the transmission errors. This whole process is known as a data acquisition system. These are all some of the major components which is already discussed in the previous lecture series. Some of them are sensor, signal conditioning unit, we have discussed already about, and also analog digital conversion unit. Next, we are going to discuss about data acquisition systems hardware and also its software. DAQ hardware interfaces the signal and the PC. It could be in the form of modules that can be connected to the computer's ports or cards, connected to slots in the motherboard. Following are some hardwares. Some of the examples are CAMAC, Computer Automated Measurement and Control, and the next one is an Industrial Ethernet and Industrial USB. Then LAN, extensions for instrumentation, and some of them are NIM, PowerLab, VME Bus, VXI, etc. These are all some of the hardware which is used for data acquisition system. Data acquisition hardware turns your PC into a measurement and automatic system. This is some of the example: terminal block and a cable route your signal to specific pins on your DQ. These are all some of the 50 pin connector. And in case of hardware, we must consider some of the major points. It must be connected to the internet. Is there software support, and what type of input channels, single lead input channel or differential input channels we must want to rectify it, and also it should be compatible with a variety of bus protocols and number of analog input channels, sampling rate, its resolution, accuracy, reduced board size, plug-in data acquisition cards, etc. And then we will discuss about data acquisition software. DAQ software is needed in order for the DAQ hardware to work with a PC. It involves the use of the programming languages such as C++, Visual C++, Basic, Visual Basic plus add-on tools, Fortran, Pascal, Ladder Logic, LabVIEW, etc. And then we are going to discuss about merits and demerits. Merits, its major important merits are reduced data redundancy, reduced updating errors and increased consistency, greater data integrity and independence from application programs, and then improved data access to users through use of host and query languages, improved data security, reduced data entry, storage and retrieval cost, facilitated development of new application programs. Some of the demerits are database systems are complex, difficult, time consuming to design. And next one is substantial hardware and software startup cost is more. Damage to database affects virtually all application programs. Extensive conversion cost in moving from a file-based system to the database system. Initial training required for all programmers and users. Conclusion: data acquisition system typically convert analog physical conditions into a digital values for easy processing. Data acquisition system is advantageous as we can store a lot of physical condition data in digitized form. DAS helps in easy processing of data as well as easy comparison can be done. And also today DAS is used in almost every field, industry and companies. Thank you. Next we will discuss about some of the other important topics which is related to IoT. Thank you all.